Join us on CABTV for a brand new show called Islamic Lessons Made Easy.
One really good way of knowing where to start is to think of this religion, this most beautiful religion, as a strong and beautiful tree with strong roots and branches.
If we do not understand the roots of religion, which are called the Ahlul Bayt, our belief will also die, because we need them so we can live a happy Islamic life.
Benefit from a variety of topics such as Quran and Ahkam.
مطهرات are those things which make us طاهر and remove najasat, such as water, earth and sun.
History, Arabic and Aqa'id.
A marja' typically publishes his rules in a practical guide called the Risalah. You can also visit the office of your marja' or telephone them if you have any queries.
Join us every week only on Ahlul Bayt TV.